Want to feel better in just 7 days? Start tracking these 5 habits. Your body will thank you. Habit number 1. Track your water intake. Hydration boosts energy, skin, and digestion. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day. Use reminders to build the habit consistently. Use free apps or a printable tracker to stay on top of your water goals. Habit number 2. Move your body daily. Just 15 minutes of stretching works wonders. Track your movement, walks, yoga, or light cardio, whatever suits you. Even light morning movement wakes up your metabolism and mood. Use smart trackers to motivate you and see your progress clearly. Habit number 3, log your daily mood. Emotional health is part of your wellness. Noticing mood trends helps you adjust sleep, food, and stress levels. This habit improves self-awareness and keeps your emotions in check. Habit number 4, track your sleep hours. Sleep restores your body and brain. Use your phone or tracker to record bedtime, wake time, and quality. Even slight improvements in sleep give you more energy and clarity. Habit number 5, track your nutrition. What you eat affects how you feel. Use simple checklists to track food groups, not calories. Tracking helps you notice small wins and stay motivated every day. Stick to these 5 habits for 1 week, and you'll feel the shift. Want more simple wellness tips? Subscribe now and start your journey to better health.